Okay, viewers, today's topic is common chord of two circle. Okay, common chord of two circle. Now see the equation of the first circle. That means S1 equivalence x square plus y square plus 2g1 x plus 2f1 y plus c1 equals 0. This is the equation of first circle. Okay. Now see the figure. Okay, that means S1 equals 0. Okay. Now see the second equation of that will be second circle. Okay, not first circle. Here equation of second circle, that means S2. That means x square plus y square plus 2g 2x plus 2f2y plus c2 equals 0. Now see the figure. Okay, here S1 equals 0, S2 equals 0. Okay, now point of intersection. Okay, that is, this is point A and this is point B. See the figure. Okay, that is the line, a straight line. Okay, okay, that is x1 y1, that is x2 y2. Okay, now if we subtract 1 and 2, then you will get this part and this part will be deleted, this part and this part will be deleted, then you will get here x and x is common. Okay, that means 2 into z1 minus z2x, 2 into f1 minus f2y plus c1 minus c2. Now see, subtracting 1 and 2. Okay, then you will get s1 minus s2 equal to these two and these two will be deleted. That will be 2 into z1 minus z2x plus 2 f1 minus f2y plus c1 minus c2 equal to 0. Okay, now you can write 2 into z1 minus z2 plus 2 into equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the common chord. Okay, you can also write s1 minus s2 equal 0. Okay, this part and this part equal to 0. If now see 2 into g1 minus z2 x. Okay, if you take this total, 2 into z1 minus z2 is a, that means ax. 2 into f1 minus f2 is b, that means by, plus c1 minus c2, that is c, that means ax plus by plus c equal to 0, that means this line. Okay, that is the equation of a straight line. Okay, that means ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Uh, then we can say that the common chord of any two circle makes a straight line. Okay, if this straight line passes through this point, then okay, the point of intersection is x on y1. If this point is x on y1, then the x1 x y1 satisfy this equation. Okay, that means 2 g1 minus g2 x1 plus 2 f1 minus f2 y1 plus f2. If the point of intersection is x2 y2, then this also satisfies. Okay, 2 g1 minus g2 x2 plus 2 f1 minus f2 y2 plus c1 minus c2 equal 0. Okay, this is the general. We have to remember s1 minus s2 equals 0. Okay, that is very important. Okay, now we will see mathematical problem. If we see mathematical problem, then it will be clear. Okay, we have to remember it. Okay, if we subtract from first circle to second circle, their point of intersection makes a straight line. Okay, this straight line. Okay, okay, now we will see mathematical problem. Okay, that will be easy. Okay, example, find the equation and length of common chord of a circle. Equation and length. Okay, there is circle 1 and circle 2. Okay, now let this circle is problem number 1. Okay, that is 1. Okay, x square plus y square minus 12x plus 16y minus 69 equal 0. This is 1. And center is here 2 into minus 6 into x, that means 2gx, that means 6, and 2fy, that means minus 8. Okay, Now similarly from equation 2, okay, x square plus y square minus 9x plus 12y minus 59 equals 0. That is 1 and 2. Okay, we have to find the equation. Okay, now we have to subtract 1 and 2. Okay, and this is the center of the second equation, minus 9 by 2 minus 6. Okay, 2zx. Okay, that is okay. If we subtract 1 and 2, then you will get the equation of common chord. Okay, now subtracting 1 and 2. Okay, this part, this 2 and this will be deleted. Okay, that is minus 12x minus 9x. Okay, now see, minus 12x plus 9x. Okay, if we subtract 1 and 2, okay, that is minus 12x and minus minus plus, that is 9x plus 16y minus 12y. Okay, minus 69 and that is minus minus plus, that is 59. Okay, then you will get minus 3x plus 4y minus 10 equals 0. Okay, then you will get 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. This is the equation of common chord. Okay. Okay, now we'll see the length of the common chord. Okay, now see. Okay, now see, this is the center of the first circle, 0, 6 minus 8. Okay, this is the center of the second circle, 9, 2 minus 6. Okay, and here point of intersection A and C. This is the common chord. Okay, now we have to find the length of AC. We have found the equation of AC. Okay, then we have to find the length of AC. Okay, now we join O to A and we draw a perpendicular line on AC. Okay, now see, O to A and the perpendicular line is OB on AC. Now from OAOB by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now is the radius. Okay, now the radius OA. Okay, that is g square plus f square minus c. Okay, OA, the length of OA is 6 square plus minus 8 square plus 69. That means root over 169. Okay, that is 13. The value of O is 13. Okay, and the length of OB will be, this is perpendicular distance. Okay, from 6 minus 8 and this line. Okay, now see the length of AB. Okay, sorry, that will be OB, not AB. That will be OB. Okay, the length of OB. Okay, okay, that will be OB, not AB. That will be OB. Okay, OB. Okay, that is okay. OB. Okay, the radius of the circle is OA and g square plus f square minus c, that is okay, that is 13. Okay, now the length of OB is 3 into 6, that means 6. Here x, there is y. Okay, from this 3 into x minus 4 into minus 8. Okay, we have got the equation 3x minus 4y plus 10. Okay, that's why we have written it. Okay, 8, and there is root over the coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square, that means minus 4. Okay, then you will get 60 by 5. Okay, that is 12. Okay, now Pythagoras theorem from triangle OAB by Pythagoras. Okay, OA square equal AB square plus BO square. We have to find the length of AB. Okay, now AB square equal OA square minus BO square. Okay, Now see, the length of OA is 13. Okay, we have got from this. Okay, 13. The 13 and BO is 12 square. Okay, then you get 25. Okay, that means AB equal 5. Okay, we have got here AB is 5 and OA is 13. Okay, 13. That means AB, if we draw a perpendicular line on a chord from center, okay, then the chord divides two equal part. That means AB, BC. Okay, that's why the length of AC will be twice AB or twice BC. Okay, then C. Okay, the length of AC is 2 into AB. Okay, okay, the length of AC is 2 into AB. That means 2 into 5. That means 10. Okay, the length of AC is 10. Okay, I think you are clear. Okay, viewers, thank you for stay with us. Okay.